Print date is on the 42nd week of 2004.
Coming to DVD and VHS, a children's classic becomes a breathtaking new animated musical adventure to share with your little ones. Candyland. There is a magical place every child knows. A beautiful candy landscape with sugar sparkle surprises around every turn. So enjoy a sweet adventure with Mr. Mint, Jib, Princess Lolly, Grandma Nut, King Candy, Princess Frostine, and all your Candyland friends as they discover the sweetest place in all of childhood. Debuting exclusively on DVD and VHS with 4 original songs. Join us for a sweet adventure. Candyland, coming to DVD and VHS spring 2005.
Wobbling to DVD and VHS from Hasbro and Paramount Home Entertainment. Fun never stands still when Weebles are around.
That's right!
And now, for the first time ever, Weebles are coming to DVD and VHS in a series of all-new wobbly singing and dancing adventures.
Weebles on the move, dancing in the groove. Weebles spinning round, can't keep those Weebles down. Goldfish, Pendleton, and Susie Q. Dem Beat, Dibby Dibby, and Dewey too.
So come on over to Weebleville and join in on the fun. Weebles wobble, but they don't fall down. Coming to DVD and VHS spring 2005.
What's the best thing about Peanuts videos?
They're funny. It's just so good. And great. Murphy's my favorite. Me too. I like Charlie Brown the best.
Now there's even more to love, because for the first time ever, 2 new Peanuts classics are coming to DVD and video. A Charlie Brown Valentine.
Never play a project with my Valentine.
And Lucy Must Be Traded Charlie Brown.
The only way to play baseball right is to use 2 hands.
This is the perfect time to share all your favorite memories with all these fun-filled classics on DVD and video, like It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown.
I believe in the Great Pumpkin. There he is! It's the Great Pumpkin!
Be My Valentine, Charlie Brown.
I think it's from the little red-haired girl.
That letter is from me. You like me, Chuck?
I do?
It's the Easter Beagle, Charlie Brown.
There is an Easter Beagle.
A Charlie Brown Thanksgiving.
Peanut videos are for everybody.
And a Charlie Brown Christmas.
I've been kissed by a dog. Dog.
Good grief.
Plus, each DVD comes with bonus episodes for your family to enjoy again and again.
Maybe this is the start of a trend.
Don't miss it. You can take all the Peanuts gang home today.
Okay, let's get this show on the road.
Everybody, come see!
One of the most beloved stories of our time is an animated film classic cherished by young and old.
That's something! He's terrific!
E.B. White's Charlotte's Web. Now, after more than 30 years, the legacy continues for a whole new generation. Paramount Home Entertainment and Universal Home Entertainment Productions present Charlotte's Web 2, Wilbur's Great Adventure, exclusively on DVD and video. Join Wilbur and his new best friends, Cardigan the Lamb, and Charlotte's 3 daughters, Nellie, Joy, and Urania. And celebrate the return of some old favorites, Fern, Farmer Zuckerman, Templeton the Rat, and Glenn the Goose. Take a look at what all the excitement is about in this exclusive sneak peek.
It's not so...
I'm gonna skip this due to copyright notices.
Eyebrow. A new classic is being spun exclusively on DVD and video. Available now.
Be a friend, we'll be buddies to the end. Most of all, I'll be a friend to you.
Nick Jr. is proud to introduce Nick Jr. Baby's Curious Buddies, a new line of engaging and humorous DVDs and videos. Available now just for you and your baby. Here's a sneak peek.
If you're happy.
I'm gonna skip this to our copyright notices again.
Give me a kiss.
Available now on DVD and VHS. To learn more, visit nickjr.com/baby.
And now we're pleased to bring you our feature presentation.